International Medical Corps in Cameroon. I serve in the capacity of a logistics coordinator. With my 11 years of experience in logistics, practical experience, I thought it was really relevant for me to have a sort of a degree in logistics so that I can build up my career, especially in terms of meeting the challenging and needs of humanitarian logistics. And after a thorough research on available institutions and degrees, I found out that the HLM course suits my needs, and that's why I came to Lugano. I realized that this course has a very rich component in a lot of frameworks that has now enabled me to reflect back in the practical experience in logistics, and this has actually enabled me to be able to perform most of my responsibility and meet the current needs of the general logistics perspective. It's a rich faculty with a lot of experiences of people from different perspectives, and this has promoted a lot of interaction, a lot of ideas sharing, which has also enriched my capacity in terms of delivering the expected logistical solutions needed for my organization. I believe that any people, logisticians who have a dream to make up their career in general logistics, the way forward is to come down to this HLM course in Lugano, because it has a lot of practical education, which when you link up to the theoretical aspect of the course itself, it's enriching and broadening your ideas as far as logistics and general management is concerned.